Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to craft a glider in Deepwoken. Gliders are incredibly useful tools, allowing you to quickly traverse the vast world and reach new areas with ease. We will cover the simple steps to create a standard glider, as well as how to upgrade to a more durable version. Get ready to take to the skies and explore like never before. To begin your glider crafting journey, you will need to gather some essential materials. For a standard glider, you'll need 2 sticks and 2 pieces of cloth. Sticks are easily acquired by chopping down trees or simply finding them scattered across the landscape. Cloth can often be purchased from various vendors for a small sum, typically around 6 notes per piece, making it quite accessible. Once you have collected your materials, head to any crafting station available in the world. The recipe for the basic glider should appear in your crafting menu automatically, requiring no special blueprint to find. Simply place your 2 sticks and 2 pieces of cloth into the crafting interface, and with a quick click, your very own glider will be ready for use. It's a straightforward process. Your newly crafted basic glider offers 15 uses, perfect for short-distance travel. For adventurers seeking greater durability, consider crafting the enhanced shark scale glider. This superior version requires 2 sticks and 2 megalodon hides, which are obtained from defeating megalodons. The shark scale glider provides an impressive 150 uses, allowing for much longer and more reliable aerial exploration across the treacherous lands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.